Go off. Show them. Kill it. You look good. Your outfit is gonna be hot. You're gonna look good. You're gonna look like a snack. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. JC from Just Lost JC here or whatever. Guys, I love that intro. Anyway guys, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this makeup, hair, because sis, it was a bit of a miracle. It was quick, but it was a bit of a miracle. The hair, the makeup, as well as this outfit that I'm wearing, please continue to watch. Excuse me, I have an Instagram, please follow me on there, please, I'm gonna post. I am done pausing, please follow me on Instagram. And you're laughing for free, you're kicking for free. What do you think that is? What do you think that's about? It's not for free. Please subscribe, because subscribe. Actually, subscription is free, so you're fine. Let me put on some chapstick, because y'all don't deserve that. Girl, I needed that. So when it comes to like the carefree vibe that I like to go for in the summer, the main things for me is the hair. Obviously, we gotta get that fro going, or those twists going, and the outfit. You guys know I love me some clothes. Go check out my Instagram if you want to see a general gist or vibe of some of the outfits that I put together. Yeah, so clothes are very important to me, which is why I'm super excited to be partnering with Poshmark for this video. You guys that follow me, have been following me for a long time, know that I love thrifting. And that's one of the reasons why I really love Poshmark. One, you can sell things, so you could make money. But two, for those that are interested in buying things, you get things extremely discounted, especially luxury items or items that can be a bit more expensive in store. You can find them on there. Brands like Nasty Gal or like Reformation and Other Stories. You know, things that are a bit more pricey, you can find them there for really discounted prices, which I love. Two, it's like another form of thrifting, and you guys, Elia, are you there? You guys that are followers of my channel for a while, my friends on here, my family, Ohana, you guys know 80 to 90% of my wardrobe, especially things that I wear a lot, are thrifted, and that's on period. One, it helps save money, but two, it just, you get one-of-a-kind pieces. And so Poshmark is kind of like this huge online thrift store. So instead of having to, you know, and I know you guys know what Poshmark is, but I'm just so super excited because instead of having a list like I usually do when I go into normal thrift stores, like, oh, I'm looking for this, and hopefully I find it. You can literally sift through and filter just by typing it in. So that to me is like, well, I'm gonna have the link to my own closet down below, so you guys should definitely click the link to download Poshmark and start your own closet, start selling, start making some coin, because why not? Get your bread and all the crumbs too. What? So yeah, my makeup that I'm doing, I'm not really talking through it because you guys can see I don't do much really, especially not in the summer. I'm very, very light, and as you guys can also see, I don't use brushes. I use my fingers for pretty much every and anything, because God gave me these tools, and I'm gonna use them for now. I'm on here. I'm giving content, honey. I am giving content. Hello. Do you see me? Am I visible? You know? As my mom says, there's no such thing as a free lunch. She does say that, but she was wrong, because I've gotten many free lunches. Okay. You just gotta know how to work the system. Am I right? Put on some concealer because, like, sleep deprived, you know. I like to do like this and then tap in, do like that. I'm curious you guys, if you guys notice that you change up your style and stuff in the summer. Because in the summer it's almost like a different me. In the winter time, it's all monochrome. It's all black, grays. I like to throw in some pops of color like red and yellow. I'm not gonna lie, I have a couple red sweaters and yellow sweaters. But for the most part, it's pretty white, cream, beige, gray. You So let me know, guys, if your style changes in the summer. And what do you consider your style in the summer? Would you say you get more flower childish? Would you say you get a bit more structured, like only button-ups, linen button-ups, shirts and blouses? Or do you get like a bust down Tatiana, I wanna see you, but and then and toot that thing up, and work that thing up on a cat, bit above my lip, you know, hide that stash. What I've been doing recently, which I've been loving to add, is I take this, which is a lip stain, but it's in this cool berry color that I love. And I just take a bit of that and I make blush. Just a tad bit of blush, because I'm like into it now, which I never was. I have this now, new edition, Wet n Wild palette, and I like to take some powder of the lighter side, and just dab it in the concealer. One, it helps to brighten it up, which I like because it just makes it last longer. Before, when I used to use the cream concealer by itself, by the end of the day I would notice it really wouldn't be there, which is fine, whatever. It's not like I have like dark circles. I just like the look of concealer under the eye because I think it makes my eye shape stand out a bit more and all that. It doesn't really do that great of a job of hiding my bags. I feel like I need a better technique to do that. I like to put some on the chin, and just dab a bit over my lip where I put the concealer. Then of course we get back with the highlight stick or whatever. Get some highlight going. My lips are moisturized, so I'm just gonna add a dab of color to them. My orange, as well as the same berry color that I use for my blush. And kind of kiss my hand to get rid of some of that color. And voila! Makeup is done. Like I said, that was less than 5 minutes of actually putting on the makeup. Okay. Now we're going to be focusing on the hairstyle. It has been a while. I am actually due for a wash for my hair. This is how I sleep with this like pineapple thing going, because I had a hairstyle in that needed a pineapple. So this is what it looks like. I'm due for a wash. You guys can still kind of see some of the hair paint wax color that was in there, the orange. So yes, I think I'm going to keep my hair in a puff. But before I do that, I like to just take the hair out with this band and make a puff, or a high updo puff thingy. So the band is not really going that far up. I like to go about here with it. This is the hair finished, which I love. Now it's time to get into the outfit, which you guys know that I love. Yo, when I get a good outfit, when my outfit looks lit, go off, show them, kill it. You are the best, you look good. Your outfit is gonna be hot, you're gonna look good, you're gonna look like a snack. Okay, now for the outfit. I know you guys are saying, go off, sis. Yes, kill them, you look good, show them. They're stupid, they thought you were a nickel but you're a dime. Yes. This top that I'm wearing is definitely a dupe of the With Jean Louis top, which retails for about $130. So if you do not have that coin like me, you can get another alternative, and you can get these things for a bit cheaper using Poshmark, of course. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you want a similar top like this, you could go on Poshmark. They sell versions anywhere from With Jean. Some people are selling their tops that they actually bought from the company discounted, so not as much as it is on With Jean. You can buy Reformation versions of the top, or you could just put in Milkmaid top, style top, and you can find different variations from different prices. It's really, really cute. I love the style of this top. And then for the jeans, the bottoms that I'm wearing, I love a good mom jean. These mom jeans that I'm wearing in this were thrifted. But like I said, Poshmark is like a thrift store. It's like a thrift store. So just head on Poshmark, and I put in Guess mom jeans to find a similar version to the one I'm actually wearing. They're vintage Guess mom jeans that I thrifted. But if you just put in mom jeans as well, you can find different variations from everywhere from American Apparel, probably some Levi's, and all variations in between. So that is the best and easiest way to recreate this look at the hit of a button using Poshmark. I will be selling not one, but 2 leather jackets. These are genuine sheepskin jackets, at least that's what it said on the site when I bought them originally, from LEWK bookstore. Very good. I'm just I thought I was cool enough to pull off the leather jacket. One of them was a bit small, so I got another one that was bigger. This is over a year and a half ago, and as you can see, there's still tags on this because I have not worn it. I'm just not cool enough to wear a leather jacket, and I've given up. So definitely check out my Poshmark if you're interested. Really good quality. Love these jackets. It's just, I can't pull it off. I'm not cool. I'm not cool. I'm not cool. I'm also selling some kicks. Again, another item that I'm just not cool enough to wear. I got these like 2-3 years ago, and I feel like I've only worn them out like once or twice in the span of 2-3 years. Really good quality. Nice, especially if you like purple and black. Check out my Poshmark if you're interested in these. Again, I'm not cool. It's not cool. And then we're getting the chokers. I actually used to make and sell these chokers, and I have a couple extra, so I was like, why not just sell them? They're really cute, and I do have my own that I've worn and will continue to wear in the summer and stuff like that. But if you're interested in chokers and little kente cloth African print things, check out my Poshmark because they're there and they are definitely cute. And there's definitely more items to come, so follow me on my Poshmark. Like I said, I'm going to keep my link down below to my Poshmark closet. More is coming. You guys know I love clothes. You're going to be seeing some clothes similar to this and other things that maybe I'm not wearing anymore, or if I go thrifting and I'm like, I wouldn't wear this, but I think some people that follow me and some of my friends on YouTube might be interested in this, and on Poshmark, so I might just buy it and put it on Poshmark. So like I said, follow me. Make sure you guys click the link in the description box to start your own clothes. Start your own clothing. Be making money and be buying clothes. What else do you need in life? No, I'm joking, but yeah, click the link down below. Start your own closet. Faux show. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.